Hi people, this is me speaking to you in the name of Silhouette. Before going to the video, this is a spoiler alert for the movie Atrangire. Fine. Two major questions raised in my mind after watching the movie. The character Rinku Suryavanshi, played by Sara Ali Khan, created a new perspective towards mental illness. Imagine a girl being in love with a man for almost 20 years. The feeling is real, the feeling is deep, but what if the person itself is not real and the girl realizes that, and the emotions involved when she realizes the one who thought is her life is not even living in the world? Mental illness is real, it's hard to deal with in a general point of view. Like, if Rinku had the courage to elope 21 times, if Rinku had the courage to board a train to travel to a place which she even never knew earlier, imagine the support, imagine the kind of support the imaginary character has given her. This hit me very hard when I realized this. I'm not even emphasizing on the plight of people who lost their parents without proper shelter. It's about the brutality of mental illness. But let's think in this point of view. Isn't it amazing about human mind that it's creating its own world? It's creating a world to live the life it wants to. Or is it terrible that it's having emotions for a void? What if the character Rinku didn't get this imaginary support? Will she be able to smash glass bottles at the crowd who is running to get her back? Or to raise voice against the family who burned their parents alive and is trying to get rid of her by marrying her to some Tom, Dick and Harry? I'm just confused that if this mental illness is a boon or a bane. The second question raised in my mind is about the character Vishu, played by Dhanush. I have a few doubts which provoked my thought. Why was he dancing so joyfully at the railway station, knowing that the girl is single, or is her illness is treatable? Like, was he even thinking about her illness at that point of time? And why did he slam glass bottles at his head in the hostel yard out of frustration of his girl being ill, or to gain her attention, or is there any other specific reason? I'm not sure. How did the transition of his love from Mandy to Rinku happen? Like, what was the truth and depth of his love towards Mandy for years if he is able to feel for Rinku so soon? In my point of view, there could be few more reasons, a few more detailing to show this transition. What was plight of Mandy after all the chaos that happened in Madurai at their engagement? Why was MS giving pills to Rinku even though they realized that it was a temporary solution? Like, I'm not expert in this, but I just felt it was a temporary solution as it was portrayed. These were the few thoughts which came to my mind after movie. Actually, I'm not that qualified to comment, but in my point of view, I felt these were loopholes. Apart from the first question which raised in my mind. The plot is moved and lifted by Dhanush, Sara Ali Khan and Akshay Kumar. Of course, Rahman sir's music is a pillar to the plot. Screenplay, editing, technical team, they all just nailed it. Anand Elroy and Himanshi Sharma has given us a good piece of entertainment. Atrangi, a movie to definitely watch. Bye bye, it's your Silhouette until I see you in my next video. Take care.